So lastly, sorry this got cut off, I wanted to go over a few questions to help you work through our reading by Riskin. So the first question has to do with this difference between imitation and simulation. In her discussion of the variety of experiments in artificial intelligence and mechanical life, she focuses on this distinction. So what is the nature of this distinction and why does it matter? Why does she spend time talking about it? Then be sure to take notes on the different types of artificial intelligence that Riskin describes, and what critiques were brought forward of the relative success or truthfulness of these experiments. And that goes back to one of our key terms, verisimilitude. So kind of pay attention to that as well. And then finally, her article ends up discussing how some of the innovations having to do with these experiments in artificial intelligence move over into the industrial workplace. So how did these experiments shape industrial labor as this technology was developed for use in textile factories? So yeah, keep these in mind, enjoy the reading, take notes, be ready for the quiz, and be ready to come to our Zoom meeting to talk about it. All right, take care.